20 species in genus Stromanthe. The enchanting world of Stromanthe, a personal journey. As a plant enthusiast, I'm constantly drawn to the unique and visually stunning. This fascination led me to the captivating genus Stromanthe, a group of plants that never cease to amaze me with their vibrant foliage and captivating movements. Stromanthe, belonging to the Marantaceae family, are native to the tropical regions of the Americas. These plants are renowned for their striking leaf patterns, often showcasing a blend of greens, creams, pinks, and reds. What truly sets them apart, however, is their ability to move their leaves throughout the day, following the sun's path. This mesmerizing dance, known as nyctinasty, has earned them the nickname prayer plants. A diverse palette of beauty. The Stromanthe genus boasts a diverse array of species, each with its own unique charm. Here are Stromanthe talea, also known as magic star. This variety features dark green leaves with striking white and light green stripes, creating a mesmerizing contrast. Stromanthe stromanthoides. This variety showcases oval-shaped leaves with a unique blend of green and cream variegation, creating a subtle yet elegant look. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The allure of nyctinasty. One of the most captivating aspects of Stromanthe is their ability to move their leaves throughout the day. This fascinating behavior, known as nyctinasty, is a response to changes in light intensity. As the sun rises, the leaves unfold horizontally to maximize their exposure to sunlight for photosynthesis. In the evening, as light diminishes, the leaves fold upwards, resembling hands raised in prayer. This rhythmic movement adds a dynamic element to these plants, making them a joy to observe. It's like having a living piece of art that constantly evolves throughout the day. Caring for Stromanthe. While Stromanthe may seem exotic, they are relatively easy to care for, making them suitable for both novice and experienced plant owners. Here are some key tips to ensure your Stromanthe thrives. Light. Stromanthe prefer bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch their delicate leaves. Water. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Humidity. As tropical plants, Stromanthe thrive in high humidity. Consider using a humidifier or placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water to increase humidity levels. Temperature. Stromanthe prefer warm temperatures between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing them to cold drafts or sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix that retains moisture but doesn't become waterlogged. By following these simple guidelines, you can ensure your Stromanthe remains healthy and continues to enchant you with its vibrant foliage and captivating movements. A personal connection. My fascination with Stromanthe goes beyond their aesthetic appeal. Their ability to adapt and move with the rhythm of nature resonates with me on a deeper level. They serve as a constant reminder of the beauty and resilience found in the natural world. Each Stromanthe in my collection holds a special place in my heart. I've witnessed their growth, their resilience, and their unique personalities. They've brought joy and tranquility to my home, and I cherish the connection I've formed with these remarkable plants. In the world of Stromanthe, I've found not just beautiful foliage, but also a source of inspiration and wonder. Their captivating dance and vibrant colors serve as a constant reminder of the magic that exists in the natural world, a magic that I'm grateful to experience every day.